Homemade pumpkin cream cold foam is so easy and makes my iced coffee so much better. I start by making the pumpkin sauce, which is just a simple syrup of sugar and water. Then I add in some canned pumpkin, some sweetened condensed milk, and some pumpkin pie spice and let that simmer. I take it off the heat and add in some vanilla and some salt to taste. And then I transfer it into a heat-proof jar and let it chill completely in the fridge. I want to make sure it's cold for the next step, so I usually do this the day before. The rest is easy. The next day I just combine it with some half and half and use my milk frother to get it nice and fluffy. And then I'll add it to cold brew or shaken espresso or any other iced coffee I want. Just look at that. Beautiful. But all it needs is a little bit of pumpkin pie spice right on top for just a little bit more fall flavor. And I'm all set in the morning. It's like a coffee shop, but better. Little indulgences like this are what make fall such an amazing season. And I love that it's so easy to make something like this at home with simple ingredients. I keep the pumpkin sauce in the fridge and I've got coffees all week long. I hope you guys give this a try too. If you do, let me know what you think. You can get the recipe on my site, sineadtoday.com.